Oh.
Okay guys, so my name is Shrihan Romi. So what we need is a pencil and an eraser and some color pencils. And we're gonna draw a monster truck. Let's start. Okay guys, so I think I know you're not guys gonna catch up. So I'll just do slowly. So first I want to draw like a straight line. Okay, I know that was an easy step. So guys, we are gonna draw a longer line there. Okay, so that's easy step 2. But this one's gonna kind of be hard. You draw a curve. Okay, then so I know some of the kids are not catching up. That's fine. Okay, so next, you're gonna draw a curve the same curve going down. Okay, but now you draw a curve, and then you go and you draw another curve, and then you go up and you connect. Okay, guys, so if you do that, then you draw another one and another one on both tires. Then you draw a tire right there and a tire right there. Mom, stop. Okay, so next you're actually going to draw 2 lines and I start right there, but then I draw more lines around it because you don't have to see with tires, you see like lines everywhere. Okay, so I did it everywhere, okay? Pretty hard step, I know. Okay. If you can't catch up, you can pause the video and follow along. So next we're gonna draw like that line, and then we draw like that for the mirror, so the person could look. Okay, so now we're drawing. This is a mirror there, so if there's people on it, they can see too. Okay, guys. Next, you can draw like a wagon. I'm gonna draw some wagons on the back of this truck I'm drawing. So you can put like flowers, anything you want. Now I'm just gonna add some flowers in there. Okay, so I want to draw some tires on it because you know wagons have tires, right? Yeah, but now you can draw a bump because why is it down? Right? Then you draw another one bottom. Okay guys, so let's start coloring. You can use anything available to you to color. Okay, so you take your light blue if you have a light blue, and you color in the windows. It's great to outline it first so you don't get outside the lines. If your picture doesn't look familiar to mine, it's okay. The important thing is to have fun. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a white spot there with a reflection shining on my window. Nice, right? Like the window has an eyeball. Okay. So if you already color that what I just showed you right now, okay guys, if you did, you take your dark red and you start coloring this part of your truck, this part of your truck, like the metal pieces, not the window or not the tires, not the wagon or not the flowers. You just going. And then you just outline it. Same thing I did before. And you color it in. Okay, so from the dark, you start, from the top, you start dark. So when it goes down, you get lighter. And then lighter. Then you get well, you can see it. See how you see how I did it? So this for there, I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna color light everywhere else. You can do any color you want because I'm just doing red for my truck. You can be purple, pink, any color you want. Any color you want. You can even do rainbow if you want. I'm making it rainbow though. Okay. I know that was a long step. You can stretch your hands out if you want. Okay, if you already did that, you take your dark, really dark black for your tire. You start coloring the tires. Okay. You start coloring, and along you go. You try to not get outside their white spots. Okay, so now do my next tire. Oh, I forgot to color half my other tire. So if you already did this part, you don't need to. It will just put on the truck, so you're fine. Okay, next I'm gonna take my brown and see, I try like a wood color. Okay, so I just colored my black in. I take my black and color my other tire. So then next I'll take a yellow and I'll color in my flowers middle. And I'll just make a sun and color it in. Okay. Okay. And you guys see my paper upside down? It's just because I turned it so it can be more easier for me to color it. Okay, so if So their class is done. I mean, the video is done. So like guys, so we did it. So this is how my truck looks. So now it's done. So we down. Now here you go. If you don't follow along, you can pause it and continue with me. Please subscribe for more of my videos.